Imagine a jet that doesn't just fly through the sky, but dominates it. A jet designed not to rely on anyone else. A jet built with one philosophy in mind: absolute independence, absolute control, and absolute power. This is not science fiction. This is not a prototype. This is real. This is the Dassault Rafale, France's most advanced fighter aircraft, and one of the most formidable combat jets ever created. From the moment the Rafale ignites its engines, it represents something far greater than metal, fuel, and speed. It represents a nation's refusal to depend on foreign powers for its defense. It represents decades of engineering, strategy, and ambition compressed into a single machine capable of changing the outcome of wars. Today, you're about to understand why the Rafale is feared, respected, and admired across the world. The story of the Rafale begins during a time of global tension. During the Cold War, Europe was filled with fighter jets, but most were either American-built or heavily dependent on American technology. France, however, had a different vision. French military leaders believed that true sovereignty meant controlling their own weapons, their own aircraft, and their own future. They wanted a jet that could do everything: air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, naval operations, without relying on foreign systems or approvals. This vision gave birth to one of the most ambitious aviation programs ever attempted. Instead of joining multinational projects, France chose to go alone. That decision was risky, expensive, and controversial. Many experts believed France could not match the technological power of larger alliances. But Dassault Aviation accepted the challenge, and what followed was decades of relentless innovation. The Rafale was not designed as a single-purpose fighter. It was designed as a true multirole aircraft from day one. Unlike older jets that had to be modified to perform different missions, the Rafale could switch roles mid-flight. In one mission, it could dominate enemy aircraft. In the next, it could strike ground targets with precision. Moments later, it could gather intelligence or carry nuclear weapons. Few aircraft in history can claim such versatility. One of the first things that makes the Rafale special is its design. The delta wing and canard configuration gives it extraordinary maneuverability. This design allows the aircraft to remain stable at both high and low speeds, giving pilots unmatched control in close combat situations. In a dogfight, where fractions of a second decide life or death, this agility can be the difference between victory and defeat. But agility alone is not enough. Power matters. The Rafale is powered by twin engines that provide immense thrust while maintaining fuel efficiency. These engines allow the aircraft to supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using fuel-hungry afterburners. This gives the Rafale greater range, faster response times, and a tactical advantage over enemies who rely on afterburners to reach similar speeds. Stealth is another key element of the Rafale's design. While it is not a pure stealth aircraft like some fifth-generation fighters, the Rafale incorporates numerous features that significantly reduce its radar signature. Its shape, materials, and weapon placement all work together to make it harder to detect. In modern warfare, being unseen is often more important than being faster, and the Rafale understands this reality perfectly. What truly sets the Rafale apart, however, is its brain. The aircraft is equipped with one of the most advanced sensor fusion systems ever developed. Instead of overwhelming the pilot with raw data, the Rafale processes information from multiple sensors and presents it as a clear, unified picture. Radar, infrared, electronic warfare systems, and external intelligence all merge into a single tactical view. This means the pilot doesn't just fly the jet. The pilot commands the battlefield. The Rafale's radar system is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously at long distances, even in environments filled with electronic interference. Its infrared search and track system allows it to detect enemy aircraft without emitting radar signals, making it nearly invisible while hunting its targets. Combined with its electronic warfare suite, the Rafale can jam enemy radars, confuse missiles, and protect itself from threats long before they become dangerous. And then there is its weaponry. The Rafale can carry a wide range of weapons, from air-to-air missiles designed to destroy enemy fighters, to precision-guided bombs capable of striking targets with pinpoint accuracy. It can carry anti-ship missiles to dominate naval battles, and it is certified to carry nuclear weapons as part of France's strategic deterrence force. Few aircraft on Earth carry such responsibility. What makes this even more impressive is how seamlessly the Rafale integrates its weapons. The aircraft can engage multiple targets in different domains at the same time. It can fire missiles at enemy aircraft while striking ground targets and defending itself against incoming threats, all in a single mission. This level of multitasking is extremely rare in combat aviation. The Rafale is not just a theoretical powerhouse. It has proven itself in real combat. Over the years, it has been deployed in numerous military operations across different regions and conditions, from deserts to mountains, from maritime environments to heavily defended airspace. The Rafale has consistently demonstrated reliability, precision, and effectiveness. Pilots who have flown the Rafale often describe it as an extension of their body. The cockpit is designed for maximum situational awareness and minimal workload. Advanced displays, intuitive controls, and voice commands allow pilots to focus on decision-making rather than managing systems. In high-stress combat situations, this can save lives. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Rafale is its ability to operate from aircraft carriers. The naval variant is reinforced to handle the brutal forces of catapult launches and arrested landings at sea. This gives France the ability to project air power anywhere in the world without relying on foreign bases. A carrier group equipped with Rafales is a mobile, self-contained force capable of responding to crises at a moment's notice. The international success of the Rafale tells another powerful story. For years, critics doubted whether the aircraft could compete on the global market against American and European rivals. But as nations began to evaluate real performance instead of marketing promises, the Rafale began winning contracts. Countries chose it not only for its capabilities, but for the freedom it offers. Unlike some competitors, the Rafale comes without heavy political restrictions, allowing nations to fully control how and when they use their aircraft. Every export deal strengthened the Rafale's reputation. Each new operator added combat experience, improvements, and confidence in the platform. The aircraft evolved over time, receiving upgrades to its sensors, weapons, and software, ensuring it remains relevant in an era of rapidly advancing technology. The Rafale's philosophy is not about overwhelming brute force. It is about smart power. It is about seeing first, deciding first, and striking first. It is about dominating the information space as much as the physical battlefield. The end like and comment subscribe for more videos.